Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Neisha, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Wagwan, how you doing? Same. All right, and the next one is big up yourself. Simple means take care of yourself. Take care of yourself for me. Big up yourself. Yeah. The other one now with Jamaica, for some reason, oh my God, we speak so bad. Family. Family. The word is family, but for some reason we put a B in it. I don't understand, but you tell me, you know? The other word now. So me get one certificate. Well, true, I practice to speak properly. So some of the words say kind of hard for me to say, but the word is certificate. So anybody do that one there, put it in the comment, because we are trying it in the end, but it don't come on. But me get a certificate.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
In Patois. I can't answer that one. So if there are any Jamaicans, if there are any Patois that you can speak or pronounce, let me know now. Comment down below and let me know, because I can't say the word that is for certificate. It in my head, come hear it all the way, but I can't say it. Alright, so the other one. Slippers. Here in Jamaica we say slippers. Go put on your slippers. Simple mean put your slippers on, or go and put your slippers on. Put on your slippers. Go put your slippers on. Go put on your slippers. And I'm telling you, Jamaicans, we're full of expression. It's when we go put on your slippers. Go put on. And if you don't have on your slipper, me say go put on. So I mean, just the one there that made, because we used to get that one there hard. And now I have a child, so I have to like, put on your slippers. Jessica, put on your slipper. Me say put on your slippers. Yeah. So, yeah, the other one I get now, which we Jamaican, why? X-ray. We say X-ray. The word is X-ray. We say X-ray. May I take an X-ray? Go to my doctor and the doctor said, boy, look, I'm going to take an X-ray. The word is X-ray. X-ray. Alright. In Jamaica now, we don't say cat for that much. Some people here will say cat, but we say a different word. Hey, I'm going to lick that pussy in him. You know the rest. Now in Jamaica, for some reason, I am telling you, when you live in certain area, you hear certain things. Where I'm living now, I don't hear those stuff. But where I used to live before, in the city, in the woods, well, not when I say woods, it's not. But it's like, it's you will call it ghetto, but it's like, it's inner city. Right, so you hear a whole heap of dance and a whole heap of fun talking. Go beard! Go beard! It simply means to take a shower. Go beard! Me say you fi go beard! Hey, little boy, go beard! You need to go and take a shower, Matthew, or so and so. But for some reason, we have to, yeah. Yeah, big thank you guys for watching this video, and remember to thumbs up, share.